In Start-Stop feature we can decide start time and stop time. Click on Start-Stop button, then on this page first select Start Time. Then select Stop Time and click on Submit.
We can see motor is on, at start time 11:47.
This green light indicates motor is on.
Stop time is 11:48. It is 11:48, and motor is off.